Hi everyone, I'd like to talk about an expression that I learned from Patrick Lencioni. He's the author of The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team and a number of other books. And he's highly regarded in the leadership space. He talks about having a rallying cry, and I put a little bit of a twist in that and say a 6-month rallying cry. So what is our rallying cry? What is that we're all going to get around for the next 6 months? And I've worked for some companies where they had a number of priorities, and sometimes I might even see as priority number 3 that we need to prioritize. So what's wrong with that picture? Lack of focus, too much money, throwing lots of outputs at the wall, so to speak, hoping that we're going to deliver value. And really, if you want to be successful as an executive in the Agile space, if you want the organization to really achieve its ambitions, you need to be focused. And that means coming up with a direction of travel, some kind of goal that can change, it's malleable, it's frequently discussed, it's specific, it's ambitious, and it's measurable, and it's something that your organization gets around, and everybody understands what we're trying to achieve. David Marquet refers to it as intent-based leadership as well. He has a different way of talking about it, but it's essentially coming from the same premise. And Simon Sinek also talks about start with why. So my request is that you do try to start with a why. Try to co-create whatever the direction is with your colleagues, and try to involve maybe 3 levels of your organization so you can get some insights from other levels about what's going on, so you get a really compelling direction that everyone hopefully can buy into. You can't keep everybody happy, I guess, but you're going to try and do the best you can to try and get alignment around a key focus. And there's nothing wrong with every 6 months putting your focus in a completely different direction, just to give the organization some balance. So you focus in one direction one semester, and then a different direction another semester. And everybody knows we're not going to come back to the first direction for maybe at least 3 or 4 semesters. And maybe that's okay. Maybe that gives us balance. Maybe we focus on milking the cow in one semester, and we focus on lots of innovation in the next. Maybe we focused on ability to innovate in the next semester, and maybe we focus on speed in the other. And can we really fight in all different directions at the same time? But you can also just focus on a specific objective that's going to help you meet customer and end user needs, and try to up the ante on all of those dimensions of milking the cow, time to market, ability to innovate in terms of what's slowing people down, and discovering potential from your current products and future products. 6-month rallying cry, give it a go. Thank you.